It's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is Corel Draw 2019, and what makes it a little bit better. And this is pretty big. This tool, the Object Manager, is probably their best improvement in my opinion. So I have 2018 right here, and in the Object Manager it shows me three shapes: a polygon and a polygon. It does say a 6-side and 3-side, so it does identify it, but the little thumbnail is the same. I've turned this into a curve and actually welded two together. It just says curve. You don't see that shape. So if you had multiples of these, you wouldn't know what's what. But if you go to 2019, I've turned this into a curve as well as this one is a curve, but it shows you the shape of the pentagon or polygon, where this is a curve, but it shows you the little thumbnail, little icon of that curve. It shows you this little graphic I brought in that's Corel Draw 2019. This is a big deal. I mean, it shows you a polygon. Doesn't have to say 3-sided because you can see it's 3-sided. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.